I want to give another shout out to senior Reggae Boys coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore this evening as he ponders his team selection for the upcoming World Cup qualifiers. Just in case Tapper plans to play England-born Fulham defender Michael Hector at centre-half for Jamaica. Read this, Tapper. This is Hector for Fulham in the Carabao Cup against championship side Brentford. Look how the number 10 deal with Hector. The man run up in a classic no-return salad. The Englishman, them call it nutmeg. We call it salad. The man knee buckle when he get it. Yes. And to rub salt into Hector's wounds. After dismissing Hector, the baller expertly curled his shot into the back of the net en route to a 3-0 flogging of Hector and Fulham. And look again, Tapper. Look at the big international centre. And yes, we know that Jamaica is short in the central defensive area. But if you're thinking of playing Michael Hector at centre half for Jamaica, think again. Yes. Think again. And as we say, I am not telling you how to pick the team. But it is important to take all things into consideration, including this embarrassment. So over to you, coach. Over to you. Are you going to play Hector in central midfield? Are you going to gamble and play him at centre half for Jamaica? Yeah, up to you. Up to you, don't ask me. I don't know. Up to you.